Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a very good day. A very good day. It's Friday. It's the last day of my work week. I put my hair in this very loose ponytail on the back. And I'm styling my hair for today. Ah, yes. At the end of this video, I'll be doing a length check. I need some help with this, so I'll be using probably one of my friends. I'm not sure who's going to help me with this length check, but as I look at my hair, I think that it's the fullness of my hair that makes it even look longer than what it is. What's amazing to me is that my hair is this full, having this much body, and also it's resting on my shoulders, and I'm just going to turn around so you can see what it looks like now before we do the length check. And wherever it is falling in my back, that it's even longer than that because it's not being pulled. I can reach it, guys. I'm gonna try to put my head up straight. And there. Yeah, and it's that long. And last night I was thinking about the fact that my hair has this much length, and whenever you need a retightening, or whenever I need my hair retightened, that means that they are wrapping my hair around each other, which means that it should take it up a notch. Because you know, as you tie a knot, it gets shorter. So can you imagine that as it grows, it is wrapped around, interlocked, and yet I still have this much length. I had to grasp and hold on to that concept and explain to myself, yet your hair is long. If you keep watching, at the end of this video, certainly you will see my length check. Thank you, subscribers, for your support of me. Thank you for conversing with me in the comments. I really appreciate all that you're doing to support me. Thank you so much. Just try to find, if you do this side, when you are going down, I'm pulling like this. I guess like say, just do this one right here. Okay? Or if it's two, it don't matter, but just make sure you get a good measurement. I should have been writing it down, I guess, but that's okay. You can just tell me what it is. Do I need to hold anything to help you? Okay. You can just pull it as far as it goes without hurting me. So that's my right side bottom. The top of the back middle. That's what I'm calling. Okay, the top of the back middle. Right in this section. Okay. You got one? Okay, great.
You're so gentle.
13 and a half.
Grab one on the right side back.
14 and a half.
Great. The left side of the back. See if it's the same as the right side of the back. Okay. Oh, that right side is much longer than the left side of the back, right? You said 14 and a half, I thought. Okay.
I thought I said 13.
Oh, 13 and a half. Okay, so they're right about the same. Now you're doing the left side. Okay. We're gonna do two parts of the top. We're gonna do the actual top. We're gonna do the back, front, and then the front. So you can grab one. I'm gonna see if I can try to get you in action. No, I wanted to see your hands in action. I know you don't need to be. I just want to see it. You're so focused. Okay, and now we are in the front.
And a half.
Do it again. Let's see. Do it again. One more time.
If you put it all like that, that last one,
That's what? I'm sorry. Where? This one. Okay.
That little finger, that's 13.
All right, great. Thank you. That's it. Thanks a lot. That didn't take that long.